So hello dear friends, let's continue finding out the degrees of freedom. Finding out the degrees of freedom, and for which kind of structure, for the special parallel manipulator. Okay, so special means we're talking about 3D, and parallel manipulator is also known as the Stewart mechanism, or you can say Stewart platform. Okay, so let's identify and what is the formula. So as we know, in the case of planar manipulator, we had degree of freedom that is equal to F is equal to 3. L means number of links minus N means number of joints minus 1, then summation of Fi means it is what the degrees of freedom of associated Fi joint. Okay, so okay, what about in the case of special manipulator? Special manipulator means we're talking about the 3D. Okay, so here F is equal to, this 3 is replaced by 6 here, L then minus N minus 1 and close the bracket, then summation of Fi here, N is equal to I, and I is equal to 1 and up to N. I is equal to here also 1 and N. Okay, so this is the schematic of the parallel manipulators. So why we say parallel manipulator? Because all the arms are parallel to each other, and identify this is the AND effector, this is the AND effector, and just below this is the base of the manipulator. And what about links? So you can see here prismatic links are connected by the prismatic joints. So how many links? Then 2 links are there. Okay, and each link is connected by the AND effector through the spherical joints. You can see here spherical joints are there, and at the bottom means the base, this is the U means universal joint, P means prismatic joint, and S means spherical joints. So which kind of joints we have? Our manipulator has which kind of joints? So spherical plus universal plus prismatic. And how many spherical? So you can see here, just count here, 6 is spherical and 6 universal joints. 6 plus 6 universal joints plus prismatic joints are 6. So we got here N is equal to 18. Okay, and what about L? So L is what? Number of links. Okay, so number of links. So how many arms are there? See, 6 spherical joints are connected by the 6 arms. Okay, and each arm has 2 links. Okay, so here 6 arms plus the AND effector plus the base. Okay, and 6 arms means we're talking about 6, each arm has 2 links. So that's why it is multiplied by 2, and 1 AND effector we have, 1 base we have. So it is 12 plus 1 means 14. Okay, and what about then from here we can Fi. So Fi is what? The degrees of freedom of the associated ith joint. Okay, so how many means joints are, which kind of joints we have? So we have 6 spherical plus 6 universal plus 6 prismatic. Okay, so what we get, 6 multiplied by 3 as spherical has 3 degree of freedom, and 6 multiplied by u means universal joint, which is also known as the hook joint. So u is equal to 2, and the 6 prismatic means 1 degree of freedom. So it is 18 plus 12 plus 6 means we have 36. Okay, so after that, now we have to find out the degrees of freedom. F is equal to 6 L minus N minus 1 plus Fi here I is equal to 1 and N. Means now we are going to put all the values here. Then what we get, 6 and L is equal to 14 we have, and N is equal to 18 we have, minus 1 plus Fi from here 36. So it is 6 14 minus 19 plus 36, and 6 minus then 5 plus 36 is equal to minus 30 plus 36 is equal to 6. So it has the Stewart mechanism has 6 degrees of freedom. Okay, so once again, going to summarize, you can see here what we have the structure of the Stewart mechanism, means parallel manipulator. You can see here in which one end effector and one base is here, and the end effector has 6 spherical joints. Okay, and each spherical joints provides 3 degree of freedom. Okay, and each spherical joint is connected by the arm. So each this one and this one create, suppose, arm 1, and this is the prismatic joint. It is connected by the prismatic joint, and at the bottom it is connected by the U means universal joint or hook joint. Okay, so in this way we can then get the degrees of freedom. And we know in the case of planar manipulator, so it is already we know about planar manipulator. So in a spatial manipulator, what is only 3 is replaced by 6, and then all the calculations are the same like the planar parallel manipulator. So with this, thank you.